Ashley here with hearthookhome.com, and today we are going to learn how to make a slip knot in order to crochet. A slip knot is what you will use to insert your hook so that you can start crocheting. You can pull it tight to match the width of your hook, or if you need to start over, you can literally just pull on both sides and it'll come undone. That's the beauty of a slip knot. So how I make a slip knot, there are many ways to make slip knots. I find this to be the easiest. I take the tail of my yarn and put it in my left hand. I have my working yarn. Anytime the yarn is coming out of the ball of yarn, this is called your working yarn. So I take the tail and put it on my left. I have the working yarn to my right. I create a little loop here with my fingers, just like this. Now I've got this big loop here in the back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my two fingers on my right hand and I'm going to come in from the back side. So these are my little pinchers. I'm going to take my right hand and I'm going to rotate it so that the yarn crosses like that. Then I'm going to take these two pinchers, I'm going to grab the working yarn, the one that's coming off of the ball, and I'm going to pull it straight on through that loop. And that's a slip knot. So let's take it apart. Boop. Now we're going to do it again. We've got our left tail to the left. We've got our working yarn to the right. I'm going to make my loop just like so. I'm going to take my two pinchers, come in from behind, rotate my wrist like this so that it has a nice cross and it's looking away from me, and I'm going to pinch the working yarn and pull it straight on through like so. And that is all there is to making a slip knot. Now I can insert my hook. I can pull on both sides of this yarn to cinch up my loop here, and now I am ready to start crocheting. So that is all there is to making a slip knot. I hope you enjoy your new crocheting adventure. Thanks for watching.